Prime Minister Suvarna Phuma says it is the duty of the United States to protect us. The validity of that interpretation is precisely what the current controversy over Laos is about. CBS News correspondent Marvin Kalb discussed it with some concerned senators.
Senator, do you believe that the United States should be in the business of protecting Laotian independence?
I do not. I don't see why 10,000 miles away we have to babysit the world and gendarme the world at the cost of many billions of dollars a month in these countries, when at the same time we know how desperately we need this money for the growing domestic problems at home.
But I think most of my colleagues wish is a disengagement of both Vietnam and Laos. These recent activities in Laos make us apprehensive that we're getting deeper involved there, a deeper involvement.
We are undoubtedly doing more to end the whole involvement than has ever been done before by the Kennedy or Johnson administrations who were building it up. Naturally, with the President's great success in de-escalating the Vietnamese War, it's essential for critics to talk about something else. Hence, they've grabbed at Laos in the hope of creating an issue there. I think this ploy is going to fail. I think it's too transparent, it's ridiculous, and in relation to our commitments in Vietnam, which are heavy and unfortunate, our commitments in Laos are of a different nature. They are air commitments to protect our troops in Vietnam.
I don't know why we've fallen into an attitude in some parts of this country where we think it's all right to use 500 bombers a day against a country and then say it's a very limited operation, that we're going to be careful not to put in ground forces. I might say that that's how we got started in Vietnam. We had helicopters over there and reconnaissance flights and advisors, and we were given assurances that we weren't going into a land war in Asia. But we've got 500,000 men in on the ground now.
The President, and I support him, I know that he has great problems. And his choices are very limited. But I think the risk that involved in taking our small number of troops out of there is so much less than the risk involved in perhaps the North Vietnamese making a larger war. I think the risk to take is to get out.